Well, this wasn't supposed to happen this way. I was supposed to go here and pick up some beef for dinner, thinking that barbecue, that I could get some and not get wet. But since there is no beef left, I don't know what the hell that is, but I guess that means I'm gonna go in, and I'm not really dressed for it, but I'm gonna go into the belly of the beast here. Go to the noodle shop. So they're all going to Udon Road, which is the next big light where the real craziness happens. This is just people hanging out on the way. Udon Thani, Thailand, Wattananuwong Road. Long Udon. Ooh, there's a fire there. I'm hoping that's some chicken, man. That would be really cool. If we could have some chicken. So I'm gonna go to the noodle shop, but that's for like moo. That's for pork noodles, which I don't really want. Alright, let's see what this is all about. No, I'm not seeing chicken. Seeing some craziness. Sabi ka. Sawadee krap. All right, I found this other beef place where this other guy used to work at the place next door, and now he's like started his own beef place or something. But he's pretty drunk, but powder. So the powder is actually baby powder. Got lucky. I was able to negotiate a couple things of what I think is beef, pretty sure, with a sticky rice and tom tam. So this will be huge. There's the guy. Now most of these places here, like this, are not restaurants. They're just like people live here and then they say, hey, come on over to our place. We're gonna get crazy for Songkran. So they set up their own, tables on the sidewalk and have their own food, but most of the places we passed that had tables weren't actually restaurants. Alright, even grandmas don't escape it. Even grandma's carrying, That's day 3 or day 4, depending on how you're counting. Yeah, kids, parents, no one's safe. the Songkran. Oh, alloy. Zap. Zap. All right, that's our papaya salad. Sawadee Cup.